Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today in 5 minutes or less, we'll try to cover May 4th trades that ARK did. And in highlights today, we have a lot of very famous companies, guys. So SKILLZ is there, DraftKings, Palantir, and Coinbase. All four companies and others as well that are famous are in the biggest moves today. So stay with me to find out how much they added or how much they removed in each of those companies. And I'll see you on the other side. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have lots of companies in biggest moves, so we will rush through this ARK summary section. We keep an eye on high level numbers here. Market value ending in 45.1 billion, which is 3.6% less from yesterday. Yesterday it was 48.5 billion. Total number of companies that they are invested in remains the same to 272. Yesterday they added one company. You can watch yesterday's episode to find out which company it was. Without wasting much time, let's go to the biggest moves quickly. So in biggest moves, we have a threshold of 5% today. Any company whose shares were added 5% or more or removed 5% or more will show up in this chart. These are the companies that fit that criteria. This is their ranking in the 272 companies that they have. So StoneCo is a company that was added just yesterday. This is the new company that was added yesterday. It's a POS, point of sale, hardware software company. It ranks 173 as of now. This is typical that they keep on adding more until they develop a good position in that company. So this is very new. Only 2 data points there. When I hover over it, you will see more information where it is present and how the shares position and stock price has been trending, and hence market value has been trending. So they added 86,000 shares there. And 37% extra shares, that means. But this is the biggest move in shares, but doesn't mean it's the biggest move in market value. Market value added because of that was just 4.9 million. Next is SKILLZ, very famous, very popular. Many people very bullish on it. 49, ranking 49 in 272 companies, and ARK bought 3 million extra shares of it. Can you believe that? 3 million extra shares, a total of 56.7 million is the difference. This is the biggest move today, guys. When I hover over it, you'll see the date range here is not much, but I'll feature it in the weekend episode as well. As you can see, they have been bullish. They are keeping their position and only adding. So it's present in 2 ETFs. Recursion, I'll go over some of these. You can take a pause the video and take a look. DraftKings, another company which many people are extremely bullish on, and especially ARK because the rank is 34. Again, deserving an episode on weekend. And then it's present in 3 ETFs. Today they added 500,000 shares there, making a difference of 24.8 million. Coinbase is the next one, present in 3 ETFs. They have been buying more and more since its IPO, and the stock price has gone down from 333 since a couple of weeks back or 3 weeks back to today, which is 280.7. They are bullish on Bitcoin in general. Coinbase is the platform that allows you to buy or trade Bitcoin, adding a difference of 22.1. Palantir Technology, again, very popular company. Many people very bullish on it as well. Ranked 30 on 272 companies. Coinbase is ranked 12. So unbelievable there. As soon as it IPO'd, they jumped on it, and it keeps on rising since then. The stock price keeps going down though. For Palantir, they added 1.4 million extra shares. Wow, causing a difference of 18.1 million. When I hover over it, you'll see more information how the stock price recently has gone down, and in long term also has gone down. Long term, I'm not saying long term, but since the beginning of this year has gone down as well. It was in 40s, I believe, at one point, very high, or at least high 30s. Again, deserving an episode over the weekend where I'll feature Palantir, SKILLZ, DraftKings, and Woozy as well. Woozy again popping up after a long time. They have been sleeping on it, looks like, for quite some time, maintaining the position. Today they bought 120,000 shares, 6% extra, but didn't cause a big difference. It's just 3 million value. It's a smart glass company. UiPath again continues they continue to buy more and more, rank 52, which is very high. And it is the only company present in 6 different ETFs of ARK. And that's how they started. When it IPO'd, they just bought it in all the 6 ETFs. It's pretty crazy. Zimmergen, I'll hover over these. In the negatives, the biggest one is Baidu, where they sold 15.5% of the shares, causing a dent of 153.6 million. Well, I should not say dent because they use this money to buy others, and maybe they're storing cash for now and expecting a downfall in the market, and that's when they'll invest. But who knows what their strategy is. I'll hover over some others so you can see the details. Lending Tree, Ratio, Synopsys is one more company which has had a good run but recently going down, and they've been selling position in it. Thermo Fisher keeps popping up as they keep selling. Baidu, which went over. Teledyne Technologies sold big position there, 20%. And PayCar also keeps popping up. Look at that shares trend, keeps going down. So that's the biggest moves of today in terms of percentage of share. In terms of market value, you can see there is only one green, which is SKLZ, which popped up above as well. We look at it this way also, just because there could be companies which have really high stock price, and little bit of movement in shares can cause big swings in market value. The movement in shares which is less than 5%. And still big market value changes, and hence those companies will get caught here. As you can see, lots of high ranking companies are here. Let's start with the biggest one. Square sold 4.1% shares, looks like, and 163.8 million is the market value that went down because of that, and not just because of that, but the stock price also went down. Baidu, already we talked about it. Exact Sciences Corp, making a dent of 153. They trimmed the position 2.8%. They're selling a little bit everywhere. Tesla also, they trimmed. Roku, they trimmed the position there as well. Here they added just a little bit. Teladoc. CRISPR Therapeutics trimmed a little bit. Twist Biosciences trimmed. Zillow Group also trimming there a little bit. Fate Therapeutics, Pacifica Biosciences, DocuSign, Spotify, Iovance, Pure Storage, CE Limited, 10x Genomics, Zoom Communication, and Invitae Corp. So all these are negative today, guys. And more recently, I've seen that they have been trimming a lot of big companies, but I don't see big greens. So I don't know where all that money is going. So we'll find out. Maybe they're keeping cash for some time. And this is how it looks when you do a diff from yesterday. A lot of red, guys, as we went over, and very few greens. SKLZ is the darkest green, and Baidu is the darkest red. So that's those are the biggest moves for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe and spread the word and support this new channel. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.